How to navigate DirecTV Stream. Download and sign in. Install the official DirecTV app from your device's app store, then sign in with your DirecTV user ID and a password. After signing in, you'll land on the home screen showing recommended shows, live channels, and tabs like Live, Guide, On Demand, DVR, and Search. Open the Live Guide, select Guide from the top menu to see all the live channels in numerical or alphabetical order. Watch live TV, highlight any channel in the guide and press OK/select to watch live. Press home anytime to return to the main screen. Search for shows and movies, use the search bar to find specific titles, then choose TVs, movies, or kids to filter results. Go to the On Demand tab, scroll to Browse Programs, select one to see details, and press play to watch or bookmark to save for later. Select DVR from the menu to view recorded shows, manage recordings, or schedule new ones directly from the guide. Open Settings, Preferences to adjust location, notifications, playback quality, and other options. If this helps, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.